What's up, YouTube? This right here is a mystery care package I got from We Rave Hard. I have no idea what's inside, but we're gonna find out after the intro.
Can I get a
I'm the festival Finesser.
Finesse gang, can I get a yer? What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I don't know why I'm singing, but let's do the video anyway, shall we? What's good? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. I'm the festival Finesse. If you didn't know, this is my channel that evolves around music festivals and live music-going experiences with a focus and concentration on dubstep and rhythm. If you are not following me at a festival day by day, you probably followed me at a show in New York, New Jersey, Philly, anywhere I go, you guys are coming with me. And if you're not following me at a show or festival, you're probably sitting with me here at this desk, getting life hacks, trick tips, festival reviews, lineup reviews, EDM news, controversial debates, and any other words of advice I can give to you guys to make sure you can have the best festival going experience possible. But today we're not talking about any of that. We're switching gears entirely and doing a little unboxing video to gain some exposure for a super dope brand, yo. I can't even say it, bro. It's We Rave Hard. It's kind of a tongue twister, but they are a lifestyle brand in the EDM, dubstep, just hard, heavy music kind of space. And what's actually really cool about this video and this whole entire concept is that I fucked with these dudes way before they even knew who I was, bro. I copped a couple shirts back in the day. The first one I copped was the Rhythm tee, the Rhythm box tee. It's like the Supreme tee, but it says Rhythm, obviously. And the back says, play some fucking rhythm. I saw this shirt at Lost Lands in 2017, and I needed it so bad. And as you can see, the letters started coming off, not because it's a bad product, but because it was shrinking on me. The shirt was a little too small, so I was trying to stretch it, and I stretched off the letters. So I loved it so much, I bought it again in the proper size. And this was right around the time I started making my own merch, so I didn't wear this shirt as much, but this is a pristine shirt. Now I also got this shirt for my heavy shows, break your fucking neck, bitch. Super dope, just very, dubstep-esque and very, by the name, We Rave Hard. They're super into the scene and about the community, so I'm very honored to be opening this package right now for you guys. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I have no idea what this is, what's in here, but it's a little care package they sent me. So if you guys need some new clothes toward the festivals and out to shows, definitely check out We Rave Hard. I'll put the links in the description, their Instagrams, their socials in the description box below. And let's see what they sent me. So here we go. Oh shit, there's a couple things in here. Let's see what we got here. We got a nice little thank you card with some promotion things on the back, Instagrams and socials. I got a motherfucking airhead, some candy. I got some stickers, some We Rave Hard stickers. And I got, what is this? Proper size XL. Thank you guys, shouts out. This is soft as fuck, holy shit. Ah, that's fucking dope as fuck, bro. What? That's just mean, bro. Filth. This shit is hard as fuck. My girlfriend would love this shit, and she's probably gonna wear it more than I am. That is tight. That is definitely me right there. And the second thing we got here, this one says We Rave Hard Bass Head. And it's like a triple-headed skull, kind of like the dog from Harry Potter, but it's skulls and shit. Very dope. This shit is hard, bro. This filth tee is hard. I fuck with this heavy. Is there anything else I missed? Any other goodies in here? Oh, more candy. Let's see what this card says. Thank you. Everyone at We Rave Hard would like to thank you for choosing us for all your rave gear needs. Also for allowing us the opportunity to make your rave day. Shouts out. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and major thank you and shout out to We Rave Hard for blessing me with the gear. I'm always yelling out, show love, get love on the channel, and they definitely showed love by sending me the package. I'm now giving love back by promoting the brand and making this video. So make sure you guys check out their products. Link to their website is in my description box below. If you guys like heavy dubstep and going to festivals, you will definitely enjoy their gear. So make sure you check some out, and I actually have a discount code for you guys. If you use the code RAVEFAM, that's RAVEFAM at checkout, you get 15% off. 15% off your entire purchase. So go run that up. And thank you guys for watching again on the Festival Finesser. And I'll see you for the next one. Peace.